How to transfer WhatsApp data from old to new Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So what you can simply do over here is launch the WhatsApp application on your device and simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Now select on settings and then simply scroll down and tap on storage and data. Now you can scroll down and you can see the storage option, but we're going to go and tap on chat section over here and simply scroll down and tap on chat backup. Now make sure that you have backed up your chats of your WhatsApp on a particular account. As you do that, simply go back and select on transfer chats, and here you can simply tap on start and you can transfer chat history to another Android phone. So you just have to sync the device and you'll be able to transfer the WhatsApp data from old to new Android or new phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.